Welcome to another video by the Security Buddy. In this video, we will discuss how to use a scatter plot to understand the correlation between two random variables. Let's say we have two random variables x and y, and we want to know the correlation between these two variables. In other words, we want to know if we increase the value of x, then how it is going to impact the value of y. If we increase the value of x, then will the value of y increase or remain the same, or will it decrease? To know that, we can use a scatter plot to plot the values of x and y. A scatter plot is a type of plot that shows the relationship between two variables x and y. If capital Y takes the value of small y, when capital X takes the value of small x, then we can plot a point with coordinates small x, small y. We can thus plot all the points corresponding to all the values of capital X and the corresponding values of capital Y. Let's look at an example to understand this in a better way. Let's say capital X takes the following values and capital Y takes the corresponding values. Now, if we plot the data in a scatter plot, the scatter plot will look like the following. We can see from the plot that if we increase capital X, capital Y also increases. In other words, capital X and capital Y are positively correlated. At this point, if we calculate the Pearson-R correlation coefficient between capital X and capital Y, we will see that the Pearson-R correlation coefficient of X and Y is 1. We have already discussed how to calculate the Pearson-R correlation coefficient between two variables in one of our previous videos. Interested viewers may find the relevant link in the description. So, how do we interpret this correlation coefficient between x and y? The Pearson-R correlation coefficient is a value between -1 and +1. The correlation coefficient is +1 means that the variables x and y are perfectly positively correlated. In other words, if we increase x, y will also increase, and the relationship between x and y is strong. On the other hand, let's say x takes the following values and y takes the following corresponding values. Now, if we plot the values of x and y using a scatter plot, the scatter plot will look like the following. From the scatter plot, we can see that if we increase x, y decreases. At this point, if we calculate the Pearson-R correlation coefficient between x and y, we will see that the Pearson-R correlation coefficient of x and y is -1. It means x and y are perfectly negatively correlated. In other words, if we increase x, y decreases, and the relationship between x and y is strong. As we discussed, the Pearson-R correlation coefficient between two variables x and y is a number between -1 and +1. The sign of the number indicates whether the relationship is positive or negative. If the variables x and y are positively correlated, then y increases when x increases. And if x and y are negatively correlated, then y decreases when x increases. And the strength of the relationship between x and y is determined by the magnitude of the number. When the magnitude of the Pearson-R correlation coefficient between x and y is closer to 1, it means the relationship is stronger. And when this magnitude is closer to 0, it means the relationship is weaker. Now, let's look at an example where x and y are weakly correlated. Let's say x takes the following values and y takes the following values. Now, if we calculate the Pearson-R correlation coefficient between x and y, we get the value 0.08. And if we plot the values of x and y using a scatter plot, we see the following plot. From the scatter plot, it is clear that x and y are weakly correlated. If we increase the value of x, the value of y may increase or decrease or remain the same. In other words, the relationship between x and y is weak. Thus, we can use a scatter plot to plot the values of two variables x and y. And from the scatter plot, we can understand the relationship between x and y. We can understand the strength as well as the direction of the relationship between x and y. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please refer to the playlist Linear Regression or visit the website of the Security Buddy. Relevant links are provided in the description. You may also want to subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.